String an instrument, mastering musical terminology. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that's music to our ears. String an instrument. Whether you're a language learner, a music enthusiast, or both, understanding the nuances of this expression will not only enhance your English skills but also enrich your musical vocabulary. So, let's get tuned into the details. To string an instrument means to attach strings to a musical instrument that requires them to produce sound. This is a common practice with instruments like the guitar, violin, cello, and many others. It involves selecting the right type of strings and carefully placing them on the instrument so it can be played. This phrase is not just about the physical act but also symbolizes the preparation and maintenance that goes into creating beautiful music. Stringing an instrument is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures that the instrument produces the correct sound. Different strings can dramatically change the tone, pitch, and quality of the music. Furthermore, using worn-out or damaged strings can result in poor sound quality or even damage the instrument. Therefore, knowing how to string an instrument correctly is a valuable skill for any musician. While the specifics can vary from one instrument to another, there are some general steps that most stringing processes share. 1. Remove old strings, if applicable, carefully to avoid damaging the instrument. 2. Choose the right strings for your instrument and music style. 3. Attach the strings to the instrument, starting from one end. Ensure they are secured properly. 4. Tune the strings to the right pitch, using a tuner for accuracy. Remember, patience and practice are key. Each instrument has its quirks, so it's essential to follow any specific instructions for your instrument. Here are some tips to make stringing easier and more effective. Always check the manufacturer's guidelines for stringing your specific instrument. Invest in a good quality string winder to speed up the process. Be gentle to avoid damaging the strings or the instrument. Learn to properly tune your instrument after stringing it, as new strings can stretch and detune quickly. Stringing an instrument is a fundamental skill that goes beyond simple mechanics. It's an art that enhances the musician's connection to their instrument. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of this process and equipped you with the knowledge to string your instrument confidently. Happy playing, and see you in the next video.